Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by focusing on the container that controls padding. Select the frame or component first. Once selected, open the right sidebar and reveal the auto layout or layout grid controls so you can see padding fields. Make sure children are visible. Hide overlays if needed. You do this because padding is applied to the parent, not individual children. After that, glance at the Inspect panel to read computed spacing values and identify whether padding comes from auto layout or manual constraint. Now dive into the middle steps to read and compare values. If the parent is auto layout, you will see padding top, right, bottom, left as editable numbers. Change one to test effects. If not, check each child's position and margin-like spacing. Absolute coordinates can mimic padding. Use the Inspect tab to view computed box model numbers for PX values. This tells you exactly what Figma will export. Once done, toggle between Selection and Inspect to confirm changes visually and numerically. Finish by editing the padding fields or wrapping elements in auto layout to control spacing predictably. After adjusting, preview and prototype or export the frame to confirm the visual spacing matches intended designs. Make sure to test different breakpoints or resized frames to see how padding responds. If things go wrong, check nested frames and layout constraints first. Nested auto layouts or absolute positioning often override expected padding. If you still see issues, temporarily remove layers to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.